Hey, sweetie, you want to go downtown? Sure. When are we leaving? As soon as you're ready. Okay. Okay, well, I'll be waiting in the car. Downtown? Oh my gosh, puppies! Oh! Can we please go pet them? Sure. Hi, your puppies are really cute. Can I pet them? Sure. Aww. Are you interested in taking or fostering one? Oh no, we already have a 9-year-old dog at home. I think we're good. But Pepper would like the puppy. Well, the ages are, this one right here is about a week old. The next one is about 7 weeks old. And then this one's around 4 weeks old. Oh, I really like this one. Oh, she's really cute. Yeah. What were you saying about fostering again? Well, you can take her for the weekend and see how you like her. But if it doesn't work out, you could at least help her. Oh, can we please, Mom? Well, I guess we could take her just for the weekend. Oh, thank you so much. Have fun. At the vet. Hi, thank you for taking us in such short notice. Oh, it's no problem. I love working with puppies. Alright, well, let's take a look here. Well, she's a girl, and she's very healthy. Oh, and she's very affectionate, too. Let me give her some food and water just to see how she's eating. Well, she's not underweight. As you can see on this little diagram here, if she were to be underweight, you could probably see her ribs. Well, that's good. Yeah, so I think now we're gonna go ahead and give her some fluids. We'll be right back. Do you think I'm crazy for doing this? Yes. Well, it is a change. Alright, so she's all fixed up and she's ready for you to take home. Thank you, and oh, do you happen to have any, like, puppy food or anything? I'm afraid we aren't really prepared for all of this. Oh, yes, of course. So she actually has worms, so we have her medicine here, and here's a sample bag of puppy food. Oh, thank you so much. You know, we weren't really prepared for a puppy, but I think this will work out. At home. Ruff, ruff. Hey, Pepper. Alright, so let's see. I'll go ahead and just put all the puppy supplies here. Hey, Julie, do you mind maybe, like, making a little bed for her? Okay. Let's see. We can use this little container that we used for Pepper when he was a little puppy, and then we can use this bedding that I used for my American Girls. Ah, perfect. Oh, thank you. Now, do you mind maybe making her some food? Okay. Thank you, sweetie. Wow, she was hungry. She likes you. No, Pepper, no, get off, no! Getting ready for bed. Well, I'm ready for bed. So I read online that crate training is good for puppies because it, gives them a place to stay while we're gone. That's cool, but wait, do we have a crate? Surprisingly, yes, we do. I'm actually not quite sure why, though. Oh, and I put it right next to your bed so that way, she could see you and not feel so uneasy. Alright, cutie pie. In you go. I'm tired. Good night, Julie. Woof. Woof. What? She has no idea what's in store with the puppy. Woof! No, puppy, bad shoe, off! Oh no, puppy, off! Oh. 6 a.m. the next morning. Alright, I'm up. Okay. Alright, let's go outside. What are you doing? You little rascal. Oh no, a hole. Oh. Meanwhile, inside. Gotta get up. Good morning, Mom. So, how do you think last night? Just a bit hectic. Well, was it a lot different than what you thought it was gonna be? Yeah, by a long shot. Well, why don't we go ahead and go inside? Okay. Inside. Ruff, ruff. Hey, cutie pie. Alright, I can take puppy shift now. Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed. Having a puppy is hard work. Just kinda wish I could hang out with Pepper like I used to. Oh, come here, Pepper. You're the best dog ever. Meanwhile, downstairs. Okay, no, puppy, no. No, bad chew, bad chew. Oh. Okay, get off. Where are you going, cutie pie? Oh no, puppy, don't go potty in the house. Let's go out here, come on. Come on, let's go. Guess you're already done. What are you doing? The puppy had an accident. Oh, well, I've been thinking, and I don't really know if I'm ready for a puppy. Yeah, I've been assuming that. Yeah, I kind of feel like it's a time suck, but I'm gonna miss her. Yeah. I can't think of anybody that wants her, though. Hello? Oh! Hi, Aunt Marie. Oh, you've been looking for a puppy? Oh, yeah, we actually know somebody who has one. Why don't you come over to our house? Okay, great. Okay, thank you. Bye. Hey, Julie, Aunt Marie's been looking for a puppy. What do you say we give it to her? Oh, that's a great idea. Oh, then we get to see her, and she's actually just in our neighborhood. Well, we better get her ready. Hi, how are you? Good, especially now that I heard that there's a puppy around here. Yep, there certainly is. Come on in. Oh, is this your puppy? Well, she's yours now. Oh, sweetie, really, I can't thank you enough. I've been looking all over town and no SPCA or anything has any kind of pets. But just thank you. It's no problem. Well, you all can come over and see her anytime you want, okay? Okay, we will. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much again. Bye. Bye. Bye, Aunt Marie. Bye, puppy. How you feeling? Good, actually. I think this is good for both us and the puppy. Oh, and Aunt Marie. You're very brave for doing this, honey. Let's see here. Where did I leave off at?
Day was a fairy tale, you were the prince. I used to be a damsel in distress. You took me by the hand and you picked me up at 6. Today was a fairy tale. Today was a fairy tale. Today was a fairy tale. I wore a dress, you wore a dark gray t-shirt. You told me I was pretty when I looked like a mess. Today was a fairy tale.